In this video we're gonna remove driver's seat on 2013 Subaru Outback Special Appearance Package. In this particular vehicle, driver's seat is not working at all, passenger seat working fine. Obviously it's not a fuse issue, as fuse goes to two of those seats. So we're gonna troubleshoot it, but that's gonna be done in another video. Start by disconnecting negative terminal. Remove this cover. Remove this cover. Probably start by removing the one on the top. This one came out a lot easier. It's two pieces, but they're kind of connected to the bottom. Since I can't move the seat, it's gonna be kind of tough here for better clearance, but it's kind of same thing. I have to remove those two covers on each side. I removed front floor mat just to get a little bit more clearance. And last cover right here. And looks like all bolts are at angles, so it'll be fairly easy to remove. Almost doesn't matter what position the seat in, especially in the back. Front, I'd say if seat would be all the way to the front, it'll be a bit tougher to remove. Size of each bolt is 14 millimeter. I'm gonna add pipe to the ratchet. So it looks like this, it barely fits. If your seat would be more forward, you'd have to use just this without extension. And last one right here. So now seat should lean back. I'll do it very gently as there are connections at the bottom. Actually pretty easy. Here you just unplug those two connectors. One of them is an airbag one, so that's why you needed to unplug negative terminal. So push this down. Pretty easy. So to show you again, you push this thing all the way down, and then you slide this connector out. Now this one. This one was kind of tough, but because you can't see it from here, pretty much you have to push on this one really hard and then pull out. If you need to move the seat out of the way, you should be able to just move it from here. Other option which you could do is move the seat back, put it on the back seat and move it through here. Now let's reinstall the seat. As far as reconnecting, just snaps back, and this one very self-explanatory, just slide back and you can put it back on this thing just like that. Gonna push it in. Now I'm gonna slide this seat so that those mounts align with those holes. Looks good here. I'm gonna start by hand tightening this 14 millimeter bolt. Looks like it's going well. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. This side went in even better. Now I'm gonna hand tighten those two bolts. If you want to tighten those bolts to official torque specs, I believe it's 45 foot-pounds or somewhere between 40 and 50. I'll just do it approximately using regular ratchet. This is gonna be kind of complicated. I broke one piece while I tried to remove it, because it's like a two-piece, and from what it looks like, the top piece go in first and then the bottom one you slide it on. So I'm gonna install this top piece. Actually, I'll move seat forward now that it's working. So let's see, I'm gonna try to slide this one in first. Actually, with opening, you could see a lot easier how to remove it. You can just lift it here. I didn't see it with the seat blocking it. Now I'm gonna slide this in. Looks pretty good. Can't even see that it's broken. I'll still gonna probably replace this piece eventually. Let's work on this side now. Same thing, two piece, and you can remove this one and install this piece first. And slide this under it. Very easy. Now move seat back. Now you can see when I was removing this piece, it actually does have the top piece, it just happened to stay here. And just slide this in. Same thing here. It's removable, just happened to stay here. And I'm gonna slide this piece in. And that's it. That's how you remove and reinstall front driver's seat. I'll provide Amazon affiliate links for tools I used in this video. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to respond as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you next time.